"We make it simple" was a legendary promise of early Honda vehicles, but it was more than a tagline. It's an approach to vehicle design born out of our human-centered design philosophy. The idea of a small car with a spacious feeling, a glassy greenhouse that provides a great view of the road, a simple, intuitive layout that places everything in service to the driver. Today, most vehicles start with the push of a button. But in the 1970s, automobiles required at least two keys, one for the door and trunk, another for the ignition. Honda introduced a customer-friendly key that did it all and was bidirectional, making it easy to insert on the first try. Our simple, one-key approach became an industry standard. Our idea of prioritizing people and the overall user experience, elegance through simplicity, is a timeless value that influenced global automotive design for years. The advance of technologies that bring wonderful new capabilities and connectivity have added a level of complexity that created new challenges. Moving into a new era for all of us involved in Honda interior design, it really became about reconnecting with our core values. Simplicity in design requires not only a strong philosophy, but a discipline towards the user experience. At Honda, this really means that interior design is about the people inside the vehicle, not just styling that calls attention to itself. That's why you see a focus on thin pillars, a low cowl, and creating a big greenhouse, so the vehicle just fades away from your view, enabling you to see the road and the environment around you. Everything should just fall into place when you get into a Honda. We wanted to create something simple and beautiful, not a design reduced to the absolute minimum. That means adding an element of modernity and excitement that people still desire and expect in their vehicles. This idea led us to a design concept we called simplicity and something. The "and something" is personality, character, beauty. This interior concept is a demonstration of this philosophy, with its simple, clean, and horizontal orientation that reinforces our original human-centered values while adding a touch of modernity. Targeting our enduring design values of simplicity with a true functional beauty and dynamic visibility, reducing visual noise that can distract from the driving experience. Our job is to anticipate the customer's need, anticipate how they use things and what makes it better for them. This means retaining a physical volume knob, large and easy to recognize icons, a fast processor for lag-free performance, and a simplified navigation structure with fewer embedded menus. And in our HMI systems, we want to enable the user to execute frequently used actions quicker and with fewer steps. This serves as a guiding light for the next generation of Honda vehicles that are beginning to come to market. It's our simple approach to design with the "and something" that will help differentiate each product and make your future Honda vehicles something you want to drive and are excited to use. With the first application of this concept for Honda interior design in North America represented by the all-new Honda Civic.